Begin by pre-installing number 10 screws into your grill or appliance base cabinet. Affix the front walls into place and secure with number 10 screws. Repeat this process for the rear walls. Once the walls are in place, your end panels can be added. Pre-install the number 10 screws in the end panel, then secure in place. Install the top panel mounting brackets using number 10 screws. Access holes are included to make installation easier. Depending on end caps purchased, some top panels will mount directly to the end cap. Here is an example of a top panel mounting directly to an end cap. No mounting bracket is required. Once that has been completed, it is time to install the front and rear panels. Mark off which tabs will be used, typically tabs of equal distance for a secure fit. Use a punch or similar tool to pull out the tabs. Place the bottom tabs into the receptacles first, then the top. Ensure all tabs are inserted correctly. Your post and panel system is ready for final assembly. Place the countertop and any appliances into their respective cabinets.